The 2026 Nissan Almera arrives as a refined and forward-thinking evolution of the popular subcompact sedan, bringing a blend of affordability, practicality, and modern styling that continues to appeal to drivers seeking value without compromising on comfort or technology. Known in some markets as the Nissan Versa, the Almera has gained a reputation for delivering exceptional fuel efficiency, ample interior space, and a smooth driving experience. All characteristics that are enhanced in the 2026 model. From the outside, the 2026 Almera sports a more dynamic and contemporary design language. The front fascia is sharper and more aggressive, with a prominent V-motion grille, slimmer LED headlamps, and a sculpted hood that adds a sense of motion even while standing still. Aerodynamic improvements have also been made, resulting in better fuel economy and reduced wind noise. The overall profile remains compact, making it ideal for urban driving. Yet it manages to look more upscale than ever before, thanks to new alloy wheel designs, chrome accents, and updated rear lighting elements. Under the hood, the 2026 Nissan Almera continues with its efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine in many markets, offering a balance between power and fuel economy. With approximately 99 horsepower and paired with either a smooth-shifting CVT or a 5-speed manual transmission, the Almera remains nimble and responsive in city driving conditions, while also capable on highways. The lightweight construction helps maximize efficiency, with fuel consumption averaging around 18 to 20 km/L, depending on the driving mode and variant. Inside the cabin, the Almera sees one of its most significant upgrades. Nissan has prioritized comfort and technology, resulting in a more premium feel that punches above its price point. The dashboard features a new floating-style 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The user interface is intuitive and physical buttons are retained for key controls, striking a good balance between modern digital tech and tactile usability. The instrument cluster is partially digital, providing clear and customizable readouts for the driver. Interior space remains a standout feature for the Almera. Despite its compact dimensions, the car offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seat can comfortably accommodate 2 adults, with a third in a pinch, making it a practical choice for small families or rideshare drivers. Trunk space is also above average for the class, and the rear seats can be folded to further enhance cargo capacity when needed. Safety is another area where the 2026 Almera impresses. Nissan has integrated its Safety Shield 360 suite into higher trims, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring. Even in base models, key safety elements such as ABS, EBD, traction control, and multiple airbags are standard, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Driving dynamics remain focused on comfort and efficiency. The suspension setup is tuned to absorb road imperfections well, and while it's not a sporty vehicle, the steering is light and responsive, perfect for city navigation and tight parking. The cabin is also well insulated for its class, with noticeable improvements in noise reduction from both the engine and the road. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Almera builds on the strengths that have long made it a global favorite in the compact sedan segment. With updated styling, enhanced tech, improved refinement, and solid efficiency, it offers excellent value for money. Whether used as a daily commuter, a family runabout, or a budget-friendly first car, the Almera delivers a well-rounded package that caters to the needs of modern drivers in both urban and suburban environments.